Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study from class 10, chapter 7, coordinate geometry, exercise 7.3, question 1. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are. So the first part we will see here, the second part we'll see in the next video. So the first part, it is given to us, the vertices are given to us. We have to find the area of the triangle. In the introduction part, I have explained to you area of the triangle, where two method I have explained to you. This is the formula, how to remember the circle I showed you, and then or we can follow this method and put the value. We put the module. If answer comes in negative, then we put the module, otherwise we don't need to put the module. You can put inside the bracket the value and solve the sum. If you get the answer negative, then you put the module so that we can write it in positive. If it comes positive also, it will be positive. So not compulsory to put the module now. When the answer comes negative, then you can put the module and write it in positive. So any of the formula you can follow. Both the method I'll show you in this video. So we have to find the area of the triangle. So let's consider this. Let point A be, we consider this A as, A is given to us 2, 3. B is minus 1, 0. C is 2, minus 4. So this is our triangle A, B, C. The point is 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 4. These are the coordinates. Okay. So this we give another name for that. Another name for that we give as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3 and y3. So we give another name, meaning to say this becomes x1, y1, becomes x2, y2, x3, y3. So that's how we consider. So let's apply the formula. The formula I have told you how to remember in the introduction part. If you remember in cycle, if it is you remember like this. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So how to remember? I said I'll write first area of the triangle, right? Area of triangle is equal to half, and the formula to remember I showed you like this. I will show you here that so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So first when we take 1, our arrow will be this direction. Okay. So when we take 1, that means x1. And in the bracket, arrow is this direction. So y2 minus y3. Okay. Plus. Now we'll take, so this is over. This is x1 we have written. Then now if we take x2, then the arrow will be this direction. That is y3 minus y1 plus. Now if we take this x3, then it will be, arrow will be from 1 to 2. That is y1 minus y2. That's it. So now we can put the value here. So we know x1 is 2 and y2 minus y3, or you can see it from here also, y2 minus y3. y2 is 0 minus y3 is minus 4. Okay, plus x2 is what? x2 is minus 1. Inside the bracket y3 minus y1. y3 minus y1. Or you can see from here also, y3 is minus 4 minus y1 is 3. So next plus x3 is what? x3 is 2, y1 is 3 minus y2 is 0. So put the value. Now just simplify this. 2 inside the bracket, 0 minus into minus will become 0 plus 4 plus this is minus 1 inside the bracket, minus 4 minus 3 will give us minus 7. When both the sign is same, the sign will remain, but we have to add. Then 2 minus 0 will give us 3 minus 0 will give us 3. Then 2, this will be 4 plus minus into minus will become plus only, then 1 7s are 7 plus 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are plus 7 plus 6. So how much we are getting? 8 7s are 8 plus 7 will be 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. So we get, if we multiply 1 into 21 will be 21 upon 2. So this is our answer. So this is by first method of using this way the formula. Other method I will show you. That is introduction part I showed you, or introduction part I showed you that you write down like this, that is x1 x2 x3 x1 y1 y2 y3 y1, and then you can write down x1 value is what? You can write down x1 value is 2, x1 x2 is minus 1, x3 is 2, x1 is 2. So you can write down the value. Y1 is 3, y2 is 0, y3 is minus 4, y1 is 3. So like this you can write down. And how to write the formula I'll show you. Area of the triangle equal to half. Okay, first this direction, that is x1 y2 plus this direction, that is x2 y3 plus this is x3 y1. So once this direction over, change the sign minus. So now this direction, that is y1 x2 minus y2 x3 minus y3 x1. So like this we have to write the formula. If you have to write the formula, then put the value. What is x1 and x2? That is 2 to 0 plus x2 and y3 are minus 1, y3 is minus 4 plus x3 is 2 and y1 is 3 minus, now y1 x2 are 3, x2 is minus 1 minus y2 is 0, x3 is 2 minus y3 is minus 4, x1 is 2. So now simplify this. 2 into 0 will give us 0. Minus into minus will become plus, then 4 plus 2 3s are 6 minus 3 minus 1 will give us minus 3 minus 3, 0 into 2 will become 0, minus 4 2s are minus 8. 0, this will be 4, 4 plus 6 will be 10, minus into minus plus 3, then minus into minus plus 8. So it will give us half, 10 plus 8, 18, 20, 21. Okay, 21 upon 2 square unit. So this is our answer. Either of this method you can follow. Either this way you can follow this formula, or you can follow this formula. That's it. Thank you. God bless you.